Okay, this is from number 12 on the study guide. It's lesson 60, number 30, and this is you are evaluating functions. In this case, you're evaluating the function f of x equals x times x plus 3 at two different values. You're going to evaluate it at x plus h and at x minus h, and then you're going to divide whatever you get by 2h. So you just need to know that what this function notation means. When you see f of x, it means do something to x. Do this thing to x that this function f tells you to do. All right, the function f takes whatever you put into it and it multiplies that thing by itself plus 3. So whatever you put into the function, it's that thing times that thing plus 3. All right, so in this problem we're putting in, first of all, x plus h. We're putting that into the function. All right, so now we're going to do this to x plus h. We're not going to do it to x, we're going to do it to x plus h. So I'm now putting in, everywhere I see an x in the function, I'm putting in x plus h. So that will be x plus h times x plus h plus 3. So I have plugged in x plus h to the function. Now I'm going to plug in x minus h into the function. So wherever I see an x, instead I'm going to put x minus h. All right, so this is x minus h times x minus h plus 3. And I'm dividing the whole thing by 2h. Now I just have to multiply it all out and make sure I don't make any mistakes doing that. All right, so I'm going to distribute the x first, and I'm going to have x squared plus xh plus 3x. Now I'm going to distribute the h, and I'll have hx plus h squared plus 3h. Now I've got to subtract all this stuff. So I'm going to distribute the x, so I'll have x squared minus xh plus 3x. Now I distribute the h, so minus hx plus h squared minus 3h, all over 2h. Now I have to distribute the negative sign and cancel out anything that cancels. So x squared plus xh plus 3x plus hx plus h squared plus 3h minus x squared plus xh minus 3x plus hx minus h squared plus 3h. So now I just have to figure out what all cancels. The x squareds cancel. One's positive, one's negative. 3x and negative 3x. H squared and negative h squared. And then I've got, how many xh's do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, so 4hx. And then I have a 3h here and a 3h there, so that's plus 6h all over 2h. I can see there's a factor of 2h on top, so I can factor that out, and I'll have 2x plus 3, and that's over 2h, so that cancels, and I just end up with 2x plus 3 for the final answer.